Hey everyone, Chris here, and in today's video, we're going to talk about my favorite platform, Kajabi, the all-in-one tool for creating, marketing, and selling digital products. When you're new to a platform, there's things that you wish you knew beforehand. I went through the same phase, and I want to save you all the time and trouble. In this video, I want to share with you 10 things that I wish I had known about Kajabi before I bought it. Now, this knowledge could be useful, especially if you're just starting out on the platform, as it will save you tons of time and frustration. By the way, if anyone here is new to Kajabi or thinking about switching to it, check out the special affiliate link below this video. You'll get a 30-day free trial. Normally, if you go through Kajabi's website, you're going to get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link, you'll receive 30 days, and on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also giving you access to my full course, Kajabi Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within the first 30 days. Kajabi offers many features, and it's easy to get lost. In my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money with using Kajabi in those initial days. It's like getting a head start in a race, and who wouldn't want that, right? Additionally, you're going to receive top-notch, high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. Those are worth over $900, but you're going to get all that free as a thank you for using my link because it's an affiliate link. When you use it, I do get a small commission at no cost to you, so thank you so much for using that. With that in mind, let's dive into the top 10 things that I wish I had known about Kajabi. Number 1 is transferring students from other platforms. I know this could be a bit tricky, so this tip is for everyone who's using other platforms before Kajabi. When you decide to make the switch, you might worry about how you'll bring your students with you to the new platform without any issues or hassle. Thankfully, Kajabi has made the process pretty straightforward. You can import your CVS file with all your students or members' details in bulk. But before you do, just make sure that you have checked the file for any duplicates or errors to avoid any hiccups during the upload. So yes, cleaning up your data is a must. What's even more impressive is that Kajabi automatically emails your students regarding the transition. They will get a temporary login credential so that they can start accessing your content right away. Number 2 is uploading videos. This is an important topic, especially for those with video-heavy content like myself. Another good thing about Kajabi is that it supports direct video uploads and it has a fast and reliable video hosting tool. If you are a course creator, you can seamlessly organize your videos into lessons and modules. So here's a tip for uploading your videos. You can upload your videos in batches and leverage Kajabi's video library. This would allow you to reuse content across different online courses that you create on the platform. Aside from saving you time, you can also keep your video content organized. Number 3 is the AI course creation tool. This is a game changer. Kajabi's AI tool can help you create a comprehensive course outline in just a few clicks. When you're new to the industry, creating your first course can be very overwhelming. Well, even if it's not your first time, you can still get overwhelmed or simply run out of ideas. So fortunately, with the AI tool, you only need to provide the name of your course and a short description, and voila, the AI will give you a course outline. Fantastic, right? This is definitely the closest thing to getting a personal course creation assistant. Once the outline is generated, you can tweak it to fit your goals and your needs. You can add or remove modules and lessons and edit your content accordingly. So yes, you still have to do some work, but having an initial framework can save you a lot of time. Number 4, refunds. I know that nobody likes to talk about this one, but it's a reality of online courses that we need to accept. With Kajabi, you don't have anything to worry about because it handles refunds smoothly and efficiently. You can process the refund directly on the platform and get automatic updates on your sales reports. How convenient is that? Just ensure that you have a clear refund policy so that everything is clear for your students. Furthermore, Kajabi will provide you with analytics on refunds so that you'll understand what's working and what's not, and eventually improving your courses to lessen the number of refunds in the future. Number 5 is Kajabi's subdomain issues. When I was new to Kajabi, I debated using the platform subdomain or my own domain. The good thing about choosing Kajabi's subdomain is that it is quick and easy to set up. However, if you want a more professional look, set up a custom domain. Now, I'm not saying that Kajabi subdomains aren't professional looking, because they really are. But creating a custom domain would take a lot of work. But don't worry, the platform will guide you through every step. The advantage of having your own domain is that it can help you with your SEO and branding, which means that you can reach more students online. Number 6 is Kajabi University. This platform feature is good, and I regret not using it sooner. The Kajabi University has many tutorials and training videos to help you get the most out of this all-in-one platform. From creating your website to accessing advanced marketing tools. With this feature, I feel like I have a personal mentor ready to help me around the clock. It has everything that you need to know, from basic to advanced. This means that no matter where you are in your journey, Kajabi University has the perfect resource for you. You should take advantage of this feature if regularly getting new knowledge is something that you want. Number 7 is Kajabi integrations. Some of you might be using other tools that you don't want to let go of just yet because you're comfortable using them, or they have the needed features for your business. The good news is that you can integrate with various third-party tools and platforms on Kajabi. You can connect external analytic platforms, CRMs, and your favorite email marketing tools. With all of these integrations, you can create a seamless workflow. And what's even more exciting is that you can run and manage your business within the same platform. No more hopping from tab to tab. Number 8 is the Kajabi community. Now, trust me, you wouldn't want to underestimate a community's power. You should know that Kajabi has a huge active user community. Once you join, you can start sharing tips and even ask questions from other content creators. It'd be nice to learn from other people using the same platform as you, wouldn't it? Of course, making great connections is important in this industry. Aside from getting in touch with like-minded individuals, the Kajabi community can also be a source of inspiration and motivation. So whenever you feel overwhelmed or stuck, you can visit the community and just get some fresh ideas. Number 9 is multiple websites. So we're down to the 9th feature, which is the multiple website capacity. With Kajabi, you can manage multiple websites under one account. This is ideal for people who have numerous business ventures or brands. Every business owner should know this about Kajabi beforehand. I wish that I had known this earlier, because with this option, I can keep everything centralized and save money in the process. Each website can have its own content, branding, and of course, custom domain. This is a very handy feature, especially if your goal is to create niche sites or segment your audience without the hassle of juggling multiple accounts. And finally, number 10, we have analytics. Kajabi has a great analytics feature that allows you to track your engagement, your sales, and even your students' progress on your course. All these data are crucial if you're scaling your business. When I started, I didn't pay much attention to this option, but when I knew how much it affected my business's success, I started checking it on a regular basis to see what was working and what wasn't working. It gives you all the details that you need, such as which content generates the most sales, on which part of the course your students are dropping off, and which courses are not engaging. So I guess that's about it for this video. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to get your 30-day free trial with Kajabi and access my exclusive Kajabi Jumpstart course. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the inside.